another take where you talk a little bit more slowly.
Slower? We don't slow things down around here.
Last week, we shared that we made editing vectors up to 10 times faster. Today, I want to go a level deeper and walk through what our team actually changed under the hood. Here are 6 optimizations that moved the needle. The biggest win was instance rendering for the overlay UI that draws your vertices. Before, we drew each vertex one at a time. Now, we generate the triangles for a single vertex once, send every vertex position to the GPU together, and let the GPU render them all in parallel. Linear work turns into roughly constant time for a 2 to 3x frame rate improvement on large vectors. Next, a fast path for drawing selected segments. Drawing a single curve used to mean passing the full vector network through. Now, if it's a single Bezier, we take a shortcut. That nets us another 10 to 20% improvement. Hit testing was the other big one. Every time your cursor moved, we were converting a node's geometry into a full vector network just to figure out what you were hovering over. We now check the bounding box first and only do the fine-grained hit test when it actually matters. On scenes with thousands of nodes, that's up to 20 times faster. Halfway there, numbers 4 and 5, we found 2 O of n squared loops that we turned into O of n. One in stroke option updates and another in box selection. Each was pausing the editor for over half a second on every selection change. Now that's fixed. One more, gathering selection colors was doing a ton of small memory allocations on a hot path. We cut the mallocs and the copies, and selecting a vector with many colors went from 500 milliseconds to 100. With that, vector editing can now easily scale to thousands of vertices and never hangs. We're working to keep Figma fast for you, so let us know what you'd like to see us tackle next.